Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me today. I forgot my microphone. We're doing a test run today. It's gonna be, what you call that? Oh man, I can't think of the word. Help me out. A maiden voyage. No, a maiden flight. Sure enough, bon voyage. Off we go and give just a sample to you. I get a couple of shots, do a little test run, get out there not far, just keep it nearby, and just enjoy just my first run and give my thoughts later on to you. Ah, what a quiet, beautiful spot. It's getting low tide. Yes, indeed. All right, what we're going to do is get some music going because there's a lot of noise and I'm going to just enjoy my fun. Oh wow, this is so much fun, man. Let's see how far we can go. We gotta go a little trim towards the left. That is far. That thing turns really sharp. It's not 30 miles per hour, but it's fast enough. Matches my other boat. Give it a little break. And have a lot of fun. A lot of trim. Now this thing has what you call center button long press. Cancel it, just hit anything. Well, that's pretty cool, nice oval circle. Drag it just a little bit to the left now. It should give me a low warning sign. Makes a nice wake. I'm all done. I had my fun. The only thing I want to do is be careful of the propeller, so I do everything in front of the boat. Definitely need to mark this down. Battery's a trip, man. They have some pull tabs or more room to get this battery out. That would be something. A little difficult at first, but once you disconnect the battery, then you can shut your transmitter off. I wish this had like a auto off button on the boat, and it don't. So now I just put everything away, get home, I'll wash it up. I'll try to run some water through it. I don't want to close it all down, but definitely bone dry inside. That's a good thing. I got the cover on, water's not going to get in.